Kabilang lareng indang 19 anyos pababa, rin tinanggap financial support, king syudad Mabalacat, lalim ng social pension or social protection program for adolescent mothers and their children. Ayon report.
Penny Munande, Dinamabalacat City Mayor Jel Daquino at Vice Mayor June Castro ing pamagdake saw pinansyal. Kareng dinala na kaya nakang inda, lalam ning social pension for social protection program for adolescent mothers and their children. Kapamilatan ng City Population, Gender and Development Office, apani muna ng Charlo Costales, tinanggap la rin balang benepisyaryong tsa 3,000 pesos para king 3 bulan o 1,000 pesos balang bulan. Kabilang kareng kwalipikadong benepisyaryo, reng indang 19 anyos pababa. Kawani king ayudang pinansyal kapag nasaning programa ingaiwasan ing panibayong pamagbuktot. Nung nuka rin, amuyutan la rin kaya nakang inda na mayari king karelang pamagaral at adinan lareting counseling, mental health services at regular health check-up kaya bereng karelang anak. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.